today, isn't it?
Yes.
Nice day. Gosh, it's great. I feel so refreshed. The sunshine is so nice. Wow.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Where are we headed, babe?
I want to cross a tree.
We're gonna walk across on that tree,
Yes.
huh?
And you
Wow.
remember we do this when we in California,
I
and I do not good, remember?
don't remember.
But not too long, and I try to pass this.
Okay. You gonna cross this one first for practice?
Yes.
Oh, really? Wow. All right, let's see if you can do it. Wow.
So now I make balance from your back before.
Let's see if I can do it.
This your skill, baby first. Okay. Get from try one side, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right?
Keep going.
Alright.
Keep going.
No.
It's all right.
Yeah. Please not fall down. The water too cold.
My feet are a little slippery too because of the sand.
Oh,
Almost lost it.
yeah. I want have weather like this every day.
I know, really.
Tomorrow cold a little bit.
Try it again.
I need something to tie my hair.
It's okay.
Make sure you can.
Ready? Okay, straighten out your back. You're too heavy in the front. Let me try it again. Ready?
No, not balance.
No, come on. I gotta do it in the move up forward. All right, now stand up. straighten your body out. Okay, keep it.
Not too bad, right?
Getting better. You still look crooked.
Almost. Almost.
Wow. You go like this. You go like this. And get your body straight. Let's see. Okay, stay like that. Put your arms straight. Now I'm gonna pick you up. Put your arms straight. Ready?
Ôi, ôi, ôi. We need to exercise more. Heather, it's okay. Really love it.
Oh, honey, a turtle right there.
And are not make dirty. You all shower already.
See who goes first for the water. Who you say is first, honey? Look at his feet. Oh gosh, look at his feet, honey. Oh man.
It's okay. You dry soon.
They're just muddy. Okay, Sue's showing me how to get the fire going.
All I work, I do this.
You do this? Yeah. So we got this wood. Somebody actually left a bunch of logs here.
We the one.
And we grabbed them.
We the one camp here.
Yeah, actually where we're at right now, we're the only one here in this area.
What is this area?
I'm not sure.
You remember the name?
The name of this campground?
Yeah.
It's called the Lake Houston Wilderness Center. And we're really enjoying it. We're going to enjoy a nice warm fire because it's not exactly bikini weather right now.
But sad we don't have the sweet potato.
Oh yeah, no sweet potato?
Yeah, we not have sweet potato.
Yeah.
And you can throw on top.
That's right. So I think this fire is going to go pretty good once we get it going. Probably have to help Sue a little bit because I don't know if she's got it yet.
And my hair all smoke.
But they do have hot showers here, don't they?
Yes.
So, here, let me get the fire going, honey.
Harry boy. I love you, Harry. Love you. You my boy. You my boy.
No. Let's go down a little bit, honey. There you go.
Good.
Good. Just good. I thought those were apples.
I think how I cook apple. They a little bit look same cat, no?
Yeah.
This is the first time I see clothes like this.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you see the possum clothes too?
Yes. We don't have this in Thailand.
No. This is big. I held one before. I held one before.
What is this?
I hold it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It wasn't like wild like this.
They're not dangerous or...
Yeah, they would bite you. It's like All right, today we are going to make some beef fajitas. I bought some top sirloin steak, and we've saturated them all night in a fajita mix, and I'm putting them into the pan right now, and you can see how delicious that looks. Well, we are currently at Lake Houston Wilderness Park. We're like the only ones in this big area right here. It's a huge area.
Just you and me only.
Yeah, basically just us. I'm gonna be ready for another one, honey. Dang it. Sour cream's so sticky. Fajita tacos. So good.